Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Ariful School, and I am Muhammad Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English first paper class in your oral sheet. Today I am going to take an oral sheet practice class today. Okay, so let's see. And I will take the class of class 6 today. So today's class 6, subject English first paper, topic oral sheet practice, term manual, lecture 12, SW cross. So no SW today. Teacher Ariful Islam, messenger Ariful Bari, and mobile number. This is my phone number. So let's start our oral sheet class. Annual examination 2020 sheet for oral test, subject English first paper. My dear students, you know quite well how we take the oral sheet, how we read the oral sheet, and how we take the exam of oral test. So I don't want to say anything for that. So number one question is, when was Hasan Raja born? Answer: Hasan Raja was born in 1854. So number two, what did he give away? Answer: he gave away his landed property, his money and wealth. Number three, where do we use computer? Answer: we use computer in every spheres of our life. Number four, how can people talk to their relatives face to face? Answer: people can talk to their relatives face to face on the Skype. Number five, why should we learn to use computer? Answer: we should learn to use computer to keep us updated. Number six, why did Shah Jahan build the Taj Mahal? Answer: Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal to immortalize the name of Mumtaz Mahal. Number seven, how is the Taj universally admired? Answer: the Taj is universally admired as one of the wonders of the world. Number eight, where do we live in? Answer: we live in a global village. Number nine, in which organization does Sohan's uncle work? Answer: Sohan's uncle works in the army. Number 10, who came to Congo to work for a voluntary organization? So answer will be Gurmeet came to Congo to work for a voluntary organizations. So who came to Congo to work? No S will be there. So number 11, why is there demand for Bangladeshi workers in foreign countries? Answer: there is a demand for Bangladeshi workers because they are hardworking. Number 12, why are mobile phones handy? Answer: mobile phones are handy because we can use them for communications with people at a very low cost. Number 13, where was George Harrison born? Answer: George Harrison was born in England. 14, where was Concert for Bangladesh held? Answer: Concert for Bangladesh was held on 1st August 1971 at the Madison Square Garden, New York. 15, what did George Harrison do for our country, Bangladesh? Answer: George Harrison helped us by organizing the historic concert for Bangladesh. We'll move to next page, number 16. What can we do through mobiles? Answer: we can connect the whole world through mobiles. 17, why is Yusuf famous? Answer: Yusuf is famous for the fables he told. 18, what did he tell his sons to remember? Answer: the old man told his sons to remember that in unity there is strength. Number 19, who go abroad for jobs? Answer: a huge number of Bangladeshis go abroad for jobs. Number 20, what can the wage earners do to our country? Answer: the wage earners of our country can help developing our country. Number 21. What did the old man tell a servant? Answer. The old man told a servant to bring a bundle of 7 sticks tied together. 22. Why should we develop the language skills of our workers? Answer. We should develop the language skills of our workers so that they can get good jobs. 23. Who has written the story The Garden? Answer. Arnold Lovell has written the story The Garden. 14. Where was Frog in the story The Garden? Answer. Frog was in his garden. 25. Why did the toad fall asleep? Answer. The toad fell asleep because he was very tired. So my dear students, that's all for today. So read the oral sheet very carefully and memorize the whole sheet. Okay, so and take a good preparations for your annual examinations. So that's all for today. Keep practicing at home. About parents, stay safe, stay home. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.